Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Zoho Projects login problems, account access errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login problems with Zoho Projects, follow these steps to resolve your account access errors. First, ensure you are using the correct login credentials. Double-check your email address and password for any typos. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. Enter your registered email address and check your inbox for a password reset email. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new password. Next, confirm that you are trying to log in to the correct Zoho Projects portal. Check if you are using the right regional site, as Zoho has multiple data center locations. If you're still having issues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Close the browser completely and then reopen it before attempting to log in again. Alternatively, try using a different web browser or an incognito mode. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, ensure you have access to the device for verification. For mobile users, reinstall the Zoho Projects app to eliminate any glitches. Check for any ongoing service disruptions on Zoho's status page or social media channels. If these steps do not resolve the issue, contact Zoho support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the problem and any error messages you encountered. Follow any additional instructions they may provide to regain access to your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.